And we're back after a little holiday. It honestly feels good to be back. So in this video I'm gonna go for another experimental artwork where I try and draw some sort of special effect on a piece of paper. This time I'm gonna guide you along me incorporating the Tetris game into a drawing. So with all that being said, I really hope you enjoy watching the video. Also, before we start, this week's shout out goes to huge respect for making a drawing that's inspired by the printer effect from last video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because the BAM squad is on a mission to reach 100,000 subscribers. So do us all proud and hit that subscribe button. Alright, we're back in business. So let's start off with the very first step, and that's sketching out the idea on a piece of paper. Here we go. Hope you're ready, guys. Let's start the sketch. Oh yeah, it took me a while, but the sketch is done. So we're gonna head over to the second part of the drawing, and that's inking with fine liner. So let's do this. The very first part of the drawing is done. I think I'm warmed up now, so let's continue. The face is done, and before I do the clothes, I'm gonna do the frame first and all the letters. Here we go. Whew, the frame is finally done. Okay, it's down to the last part of all the inking now, and that's gonna be the clothes. Let's do it! Inking part done. So ladies and gentlemen, it is time to work on the Tetris effect. Let me explain. Not that there's too much to explain, but in case you don't know, the basic Tetris game makes use of 7 types of blocks. So now it pretty much comes down to puzzling with the 7 shapes so that they all fit inside the grid I drew over here. And that's pretty much it, so I hope you're ready. Let's go!
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.
And we're slowly getting there. Oh yeah, I'm almost ready with the blocks. The very last thing I'm gonna do is adding a gap between every single block with a white gel pen. Well, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on the end results. And then once again, if you make a Tetris drawing that's inspired by this video, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the Bamsway hashtag. Then you'll make a chance to get a shout out in my next video. So with all that being said, I really hope to see you in the next video. I would say enjoy the end reveal, and until then, take care.